What up, what up, what up, guys? Mike Alexander here, coming to you from the Range Rover. Heading out to an appointment right now. Gonna go see if we can lock up another deal. Just wanted to invite everybody to join us for the Real Acquisitions Summit coming here, April 4th. I'll be talking with the Real Acquisitions Investor Group. I'm going to be teaching you how to rip off and duplicate a lot of my systems that I'm using to mass communicate with motivated sellers and motivated buyers for my business, and talk about how I've helped build my real estate business, de-risk it by wholesaling and creating a passive cash flow. So love for you to join us. That's going to be April 4th. I'll be talking again at a second function this month. I don't know, we'll have probably about 300 to 500 investors between the two groups. At least in the past, that's how I've seen some of the audiences. But you know, I text something like 1,000 to 2,000 people a week with my business. I get about 300 to 600, even as much as 800 buyers a month that are calling on the properties that we have. So I'm going to be talking about some of those things and talk about how I delegate and use systems like Google Sheets, Google Docs to partner with my real estate virtual assistants. I'll be talking about where to hire your virtual assistants, things that I've done, challenges and obstacles that I've had to overcome in my business. Talk about how you get started on those first couple of deals. So yeah, you know, I just want to help impart some knowledge and share in the wealth, and yeah, help you with your business. You know, we've been able to virtually wholesale in 3 cities, Houston, Dallas, and San Antonio. You know, it's been some amazing things that you put your mind to it and you attract what you want. And the law of attraction definitely works. So I want to put some good vibes out there to the community, that I'm going to be sharing how what I use to mass text, what I use to mass call people. You know, I do voice drops to sometimes 1,000 people in a day. And I have my virtual assistant scheduling appointments for me, cold calling. And you know, I'm trying to figure out a way to connect the dots to have a commission-only call center. You know, I'm in negotiations of building a 32-person call center. How do I put that call center to work without paying them a dime, just paying them based on performance? And you know, we're building out these systems and these processes daily and just grinding it out. I can't claim to have all the answers or be the best wholesaler or be the best of you know, real estate investor and rocking it all the time. You know, in a bad month, we make $15,000, $20,000. In a really bad month, we might even make less. You know, it's about building consistent leads for your business all day, every day, 24/7, 365. How do you get marketing to work for you? So if you want to get some knowledge, learn how to virtually wholesale and learn how to build your business, including things like owner financing terms. You know, I create a lot of deals simply because other wholesalers and other real estate investors don't know how to turn a deal into cash. On a deal that other people may pass up on, you know, I turn it into a little nugget of treasure. Sometimes $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 paydays, all with the signature, guys. You know, you don't need a lot of money, at least of your own, to do this business. You just need to know how to connect the dots. And but you know, that said, not everybody wants to be a wholesaler. You know, you want to develop your cash buyers list, know what they want, and that's going to enable you to really free up what you're trying to do and focus on buying deals. So Sean Terry of Flip to Freedom, great mentor, guy that I respect tremendously, and guy that I follow and I try to replicate and emulate. And you know, he said early on, you want to start with the money. You know, a lot of people say, do I start with sellers or do I start with finding investors and money? Well, I found something that he said early on very true, which is, you know, you want to start with the money. You want to start with the idea that you have unlimited funds ready to spend. And whenever you start to have so many buyers trickle into your pipeline that are investors, that are flippers, that are buy and hold investors, you're going to start to connect dots and find opportunities where you can cross-pollinate sellers and buyers in record time. And, if you know what you're doing and you're getting good at this business, you're going to have all kinds of buyers constantly calling you. You're going to have all kinds of sellers constantly calling you. And would love for you to join us on this real estate summit that we're going to be doing here with the Real Acquisitions, as well as Rich Club. I believe that's going to be the 19th or 18th of April. I'll double check the date and reconfirm. But yeah, guys, jamming over here, rolling in the range, headed to the next meeting. So if any of this information sounds interesting to you, I look forward to seeing you there at the Real Acquisition Summit. I'll be posting details here below. But in the meantime, in between time, peace.